Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video. So for today, I will teach you how to transfer funds from your PAYMAYA app into your GCASH app. First, you need to open your PAYMAYA app, then click the transfer button on your home page. Okay, click select bank and then find the GCASH app. Scroll down lang kayo guys until mahanap ninyo. And then after that, you need to put the amount. And then, sa account number guys, yun yung number ng pagsisendan ninyo na makaka-receive ng pera. And then put the first name, the last name, and then optional yung middle name and the recipient mobile number. And sa purpose ninyo, i-type niyo yung funds and then click continue. Before you continue, you need to check necessary details para hindi kayo magkamali. If okay na guys, you can click send and then in a minute, marireceive nyo na yung pera sa GCash, magpapadala ng SMS yung PAYMAYA and then GCash na na-receive nyo na yung pera. Para ma-check nyo kung na-receive nyo yung pera, punta lang kayo sa GCash app and then there you go. Ayan na, nasa GCash ko na yung 5,000. Thank you for watching guys! For more quick tutorials, you can visit my channel and then mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Thank you and stay safe, strong, and sane. Bye!